Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the split screen feature on Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches and you can see the main interface, go ahead and navigate to the first website you want to use in split screen. This could be any site you're currently working with or need to reference while browsing something else. Now that you have your first website loaded, direct your attention to the tab at the top of the browser where your website name appears. This is the tab bar that shows all your open pages, and this is where you'll access the split screen feature. Right-click on this tab to reveal a context menu with several options. This menu gives you various ways to manage and organize your tabs, but we're focusing on the split view feature here. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Add tab to new split view. This is the option that activates the split screen functionality in Brave. Once you select this, your browser window will automatically divide into two separate viewing areas side by side. This allows you to view and interact with two different websites simultaneously without having to switch back and forth between tabs, which is incredibly useful for multitasking, research, or comparing information across sites. At this point, you'll notice the browser is now split into two sections. If the new side of the split view is empty, you'll see a blank space where you can load your second website. Go ahead and type the second website's address in the address bar on that side. This lets you work with two completely different sites at the same time, each with its own independent browsing area. Now, here's a helpful customization feature. If you find that one side needs more space than the other, you can easily adjust the layout. Look for the divider line in the middle of the screen that separates the two viewing areas. Click and hold on this divider, then drag it left or right to resize each side according to your needs. This gives you full control over how much screen space each website gets, so you can prioritize whichever site requires more visibility. And that's it. You've successfully set up split screen on Brave browser, allowing you to efficiently work with two websites at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.